Hello guys and welcome to another video in AI Tools Campus. Today we'll go through step by step on how to connect our Google Drive on n8n. Let's start of course with a normal Google Drive trigger. Click on Google Drive. On the trigger section, click on changes to a specific file. As an example, in the credential section, click on new, create new credential. As you can see, it's a bit different from Google Sheets and the other apps. We need our client ID and our client secret. We'll go through that on Google Console. Let's type in Google Drive API. Click on Google Drive API. Click on Enable. Let's give it a second. So here we click on the credentials. As you can see, we got our consent screen not configured. Even if we click on create credentials, we'll have to configure our consent screen. Let's click on it. Scroll down, click on get started. Let's name our app. I'll just name it Tudo. Type in your Gmail. Scroll down, click on external. Next, let's type in our Gmail again. Click on next, and then click on create. As you can see, easy steps. So now we got our app created. Let's go to our audience. No, let's go to our API and services. Click on API and services. Let's click again on credentials and create credentials. Click on Auth Client ID. Click on application type. Choose web application. Name it whatever you want. I'll just name it test. Scroll down. So the authorized redirect URIs is our authorized URL. Click to copy. Go back and paste it here. Add URI. Scroll down and click on create. And here we got our client ID and our client secret. We just copy them and paste on n8n. Paste it here, the client ID. Go back. Let's get our client secret. Afterward, we gotta have to paste them somewhere safe. Click on save. Sign in with Google. Click on our Gmail. This is a small issue we have to go through. Let's go back to our Google Console. Click on Audience. Click on Auth Consent Screen. Let's look for test users. Let's give it a second. All right, click on Audience. Scroll down. It's our app information. Scroll down. All right, in the test users, click on Add Users. Then we'll type in our Gmail. Type in your Gmail and then click on Save. It's a necessary step. Everyone got through this issue. I'll sign in with Google again. I'll click on my Gmail, click on continue, select all, and continue again. And here we got our Google Drive connected successfully to our n8n, and congratulations. See you next time.